In this video, we're going to interpret a graph to help us find the mode of a bunch of numbers. So if we have a problem like this that says the class discussed how many books they have and recorded the results on the graph below, what is the mode of the numbers? So these are, each X represents a person, and the person marks down how many numbers of books they have. So 3 people have 0 books. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 people have 1 book, and so on. Okay? So, step 1. Understand what the mode is. Remember, the mode is the number that appears most often. So, the second step is read the numbers from the line plot. Each X represents one number. So, each X represents this person has 0 books, right? This person has 0 books. This person has 0 books. This person has 1. This person has 1. This person has 1, and so on. So we record them all here. Okay, we read them off this chart and we record them here. So arrange the numbers from least to greatest. This is already done in this case because we're going from 0 to 5. So it's already been done. So you don't have to worry about that. Now count how many times each number appears. And that's going to help us tell what the mode is. So we could see 0 appears 3 times. 1 appears 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 appears 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we keep going. So we could see that 2 appears the most number of times. So that means the mode is 2. And that's it. Very simple. And don't worry if you don't understand this right away. You could just rewatch the video. And also take a look at the description. There's other videos that are similar to this in the description, and you can watch those for extra help. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, there's this exact lesson. You could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. So thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to like and subscribe.